highly capable, responsive, and united in facing the challenges of law enforcement. Under his guidance, his program has significantly strengthened the effectiveness of the police in serving and protecting the public. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let us give a round of applause and join me in welcoming our guest of honor speaker, the Regional Director of NCRPO, Police Major General Anthony A. Nabirin. And he is ably represented by our Deputy Regional Director for Operations. Nasabi ko na kanina, he is my company mate and my platoon mate, Police Brigadier General Manuel Javier Abrojena.